Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In this video, I am going to be sharing with you some most stunning and amazing ideas of crochet collar neck designs. You will see very attractive and gorgeous patterns in this video. Almost all of the patterns are beginner friendly. Most of the patterns are having lace crochet work in them, and these are summer designing ideas of collars, and you will see very attractive and gorgeous color schemes in these designs as well. Some of the tutorial videos of crochet collar neck are available on my channel, and if you are interested in seeing more designs, let me know in the comments as well, because other than uploading these kinds of ideas videos, I also upload crochet tutorial videos on my channel. So you can just let me know in the comments if you are interested in seeing tutorial videos of crochet collar neck patterns as well, and I will upload more different tutorial videos of different patterns. So you can just suggest in comment section about any specific color pattern design which you are interested in seeing. So do not forget to share your opinion in the comment box and watch this video till the end to get all ideas, because in this single video you will find almost 35 plus ideas which are all very unique and attractive, and I hope you're gonna love them all. You can just take a screenshot of any specific design which you like the most and you want to make, and you can make it by yourself at home very easily, because beginner friendly stitches like single crochet, half double crochet, mostly double crochet, and even a treble crochet stitch is used in some of the designs. But most of these designs are having a double crochet stitch as major stitch used in them, and along with double crochet, single crochet stitch is also used. And these designs are mostly made with thin 3-ply yarn, and in just a few of the designs 2-ply yarn is also used. So you can use 2-ply or 3-ply yarn to make these collar neck patterns, and you can make them in multicolor yarn as well if you are interested to make these collars in multicolor, and you can use them on different t-shirts. You can see these collar neck patterns are detachable collar neck pattern designs. You can also attach them with the help of a sewing machine to your t-shirt if you want, and detachable collar is more suitable to use because you can use them on different t-shirts, and you can just choose color wisely which can be used as contrast for different t-shirts. So I hope you're gonna love this collection. If you love this collection, just give this video a big thumbs up as well, and do not forget to subscribe to get more videos like this in future. So stay connected to get all of the ideas videos of different handmade products available on my channel, and crochet tutorial videos as well, which I also upload on my channel related to wearable accessories of women and kids. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.